You might be thinking, AI is just a buzzword. It's not going to make that much of a difference in my industry. But let me tell you, the numbers are telling a different story. According to a study by McKinsey, by 2030, up to 800 million jobs will be lost worldwide due to automation. That's nearly 15% of the global workforce. And it's not just low-skilled workers who will be affected. Even professionals like doctors and lawyers want to be immune. But here's the really shocking part. AI is already transforming industries at an unprecedented rate. Take, for example, the world of customer service. Last year alone, chatbots handled over 2 billion customer inquiries. That's a staggering 85% increase from just 2018. And it's not just routine queries they're rehandling either. Conversational AI platforms are now capable of resolving complex issues like returns and refunds with ease. But what does this mean for your business? Well, if you work in industries like finance, healthcare, or transportation, you need to be prepared for the possibility that AI could replace up to 60 of your jobs. That's according to a report by Gartner. And it's not just about job displacement. AI is also changing the way businesses operate, making them more efficient and cost-effective. So, what do you do when faced with this level of disruption? Do you adapt and thrive, or do you risk getting left behind? The choice is yours. But one thing is certain: AI is coming for your industry, whether you're ready or not. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to be prepared to revolutionize your business starting now. As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on various industries, it's crucial to set the stage for just how far-reaching these changes can be. The truth is, AI has already started to make significant inroads across numerous sectors, leaving many to wonder what the future holds. Take, for instance, the healthcare industry. According to a report by Accenture, AI-powered diagnostic tools are expected to increase accuracy rates by as much as 40%. Moreover, a study published in the Journal of Medical Imaging reveals that deep learning algorithms can identify breast cancer with an impressive 99% accuracy rate, rivaling even the most skilled radiologists. In finance, AI-driven trading platforms have already revolutionized the way investors operate. A report by Bloomberg Intelligence notes that AI-powered hedge funds have consistently outperformed human-managed funds, boasting returns of up to 35%. And in retail, AI-enabled chatbots are transforming customer service experiences, with a staggering 80% of consumers now preferring to interact with businesses online rather than over the phone. With it said, buyer, sale, error, buyer, The implications are clear. A is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's an undeniable reality that demands our attention. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 shocking trends in various industries that you can't afford to miss. From automation and job displacement to the rise of digital entrepreneurship and more, get ready to revolutionize your perspective on what's possible with A. The writing is on the wall. A study by McKinsey and Company predicts that by 2030, up to 800 million jobs will be lost worldwide due to automation, with A being a significant contributor. The report highlights that while A has the potential to create new job opportunities, it's crucial to understand the magnitude of disruption that's already underway. Take the financial services industry, for example. A recent survey by Deloitte revealed that 76 of banks are currently using AI-powered chatbots to interact with customers. This technology is not only streamlining processes but also enabling personalized customer experiences. Meanwhile, investment firms like BlackRock are leveraging AI-driven algorithms. The healthcare sector isn't immune either. A study by Accenture found that 71 of healthcare organizations are using AI-powered tools to improve patient outcomes. AI-assisted diagnosis systems are becoming increasingly prevalent, with companies like it developing sophisticated algorithms to detect cancer more accurately than human doctors. As the pace of technological innovation accelerates, it's essential for industry leaders to stay ahead of the curve. The consequences of being slow to adapt could be catastrophic. With AI already reshaping the employment landscape, it's time to face the music. Your job is not safe unless you are prepared to upskill and reskill in this new era of automation. The implications are far-reaching and profound. Take the healthcare industry, for instance. AI-powered diagnostic tools are already outperforming human doctors in certain areas, such as detecting breast cancer from mammography images. In fact, a study published in the journal Radiology found that an AI algorithm was able to detect breast cancer with 97% accuracy, compared to just 71% for radiologists. This isn't just about replacing humans, it's about freeing them up to focus on higher-level tasks, like developing personalized treatment plans and providing emotional support to patients. In the financial sector, AI-powered trading platforms are already generating impressive returns. According to a report by Deutsche Bank, an AI-driven hedge fund managed by Two Sigma Investments generated a return of 18% in 2020, compared to just 10% for human-managed funds. This isn't just about beating the market. It's about providing investors with more consistent and stable returns. And what about education? AI-powered adaptive learning platforms are already being used to personalize instruction for students, tailoring their educational experience to their individual needs and abilities. According to a study by the National Center for Education Statistics, students who used these platforms showed significant gains in math and reading comprehension. The truth is AI isn't just coming, it's already here, and its impact will only continue to grow. So, what does this mean for your industry? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore next. As we continue to explore the impact of AI on industries, a major revelation becomes clear. According to a study by McKinsey, A has